Hey guys, my name is Hemali, aka Ready.to.glow, and for those of you who don't know me, I am a makeup artist and I have been for about 5 years now. And my journey started at a really young age. I started wearing makeup when I was about like 12, 13, and my love for makeup just kind of grew from there. And I've always had a problem with dark circles. So whenever I started wearing makeup at a young age and I tried covering up my dark circles, everything just turned gray because I never knew how to use the right colors. And then a couple of years ago, I got introduced to the Vasanti liquid VO2 color corrector, and it absolutely changed my life. As a makeup artist, I always knew about color correcting. When it comes to color correcting, a lot of dark brown shadows that happen around your mouth, around your eyes, or dark spots have a blue undertone to them. So you want to go opposite on the color wheel with an orange color corrector to help neutralize the base. Now, I've always been using orange to color correct, but the oranges that are on the market are very, very orange. They're super like red orange, and it always just stands out way too much on medium brown skin tones, I find. So you needed to use a heavier foundation to really cover it all up so that the orangey red doesn't peek through. Whereas the Vasanti liquid VO2 has more of a peachy undertone, so it helps neutralize the base for medium brown skin tones so perfectly, and it blends out so nicely as well. Another thing that I absolutely love about it is that not only does it neutralize the base, but it also helps really brighten the eyes, so the need for like putting on a lighter concealer afterwards is not necessary. I'm gonna show you guys how I actually apply the liquid VO2 and the magic it creates. Now, the reason I apply it into a V is because it gives me enough product to cover my entire eye area and then also blend it into my cheek. Sometimes people only put like 3 dots underneath their eye, and it's just not nearly enough product to give you that full coverage. A tip for people that have really dark circles, I would suggest doing something called liquid baking. So what liquid baking is basically you apply the product and let it sit on your skin for about 10 to 20 seconds, depending on how bad your dark circles are. You don't want to go any longer than that just because it'll be harder to blend out afterwards, and you want that seamless blend. And this helps the liquid VO2 adhere to the skin because it makes it a little bit more tacky. And then when you blend it out, it gives you a nice fuller coverage. Now we wait. So let's count down from 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Someone get me my brush. Now that I have it on, you guys can see the massive difference it makes. It has brightened up my eyes so much and has blended it out so seamlessly with my skin. Now, to finish off this look, I'm going to go in with my face base powder in V4 all over this half of my face so you guys can really see the difference. Now, because the liquid VO2 blends out so seamlessly and brightens around my eyes perfectly, I don't need a liquid foundation on top. I just need to set it with a powder to finish off the look. So you guys can see the major difference between this side of my face and this side of my face. The face base powder is titanium dioxide free, so it really brightens up my skin, gives it an airbrush finish, and prevents it from looking really gray and ashy. By using the Bloom Blush in Lotus. brush, lip pencil, and blushing.